Please, I can't find any help. Please, just send someone here. Please, my address is... Please just send someone there right now. I need help. I don't think... I can't. I feel... How? I can feel it. Oh my God. I am not some plushie. I am not just some plushie. No. I am the forgotten plush on the back of Sunny's bed. And let me transform. I just took roll of one of his other plushies. I am Dragoin, the camo dragon. I am now going to destroy, absolutely destroy him and all of his buddies. It's Dragoin, he's following me. Help me, it's Dragoin, it's Dragoin. I've escaped, Dragon. I need help. I can't defeat him all by myself. Just send someone, please. If you send someone, maybe I could assemble a team. If you don't, bye.